Hello everyone, welcome to Canadian Tasty Chef. Today's recipe is Deli Cajun Chicken Sandwich. This finger-licking and appetizing sandwich is an absolute delight to your palate. You can make it on various occasions. It's a must-try recipe. So let's start building it. I'm using a baguette. Now apply garlic aioli evenly on both sides of the bread. Spread protect the bread from getting soggy. It also binds together all ingredients and provide moisture. Now take a fresh lettuce, tear it and place it evenly on the bottom side of a baguette. Sprinkle some seasoning salt, followed by marbled cheddar cheese slices. Then sprinkle some more seasoning salt. Now place thinly sliced chicken, folding in half at an angle. This step enhances the appearance and make it look fuller and juicier. Then add thinly sliced cucumber, onion, yellow, red and green pepper, followed by banana pepper and jalapeno slices, and finish it with seasoning salt. Close it and secure it with wooden skewer and cut it on bias. If you would have noticed, I was not only building flavors but also playing with vibrant and contrasting color. This gives anyone, like your child or your guest, a professional culinary experience with a personal touch that actually wow them. Food is first eaten by eyes, and this precision make your guest or your loved ones feel more special and connected. You can find garlic aioli and seasoning salt recipe in description box as well. Serve it with fries or enjoy it as it is. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel and hit the notification bell for new videos. We'll meet you soon in next video. Till then, keep learning and help others to learn and grow. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care.